Oh yes, Pinterest, a website that is a good reference for finding images to practice and create characters. So let's go to find the hand reference. Search through the result to find a simple photo to sketch. Oh yes, this is it, one clear photo to understand the structure of the hand. To see more training, subscribe our channel and tell us in the comment what training you would like to learn. Therefore, I transferred the photo to Photoshop so that we can talk about it visually. All these exercises can be done digitally and manually. Well, first of all, let's get to know the different parts of the hand. Our hand consists of several parts, the most important which are the fingers. All fingers are connected to the palm by joints. Any part of the body that can bend has a joint. So we show the joint with a circle. Each knuckle is connected to the next knuckle using a joint. All fingers have 3 knuckles that are roughly the same size, but the thumb has 2 knuckles. Now using the trapezoid shape we connect the circles. In the next step, with a few curved and diagonal lines, I will mark the area of the palm and the forearm. All the work we have done so far is called reference simplification, which is one of the most important steps in a sketch. At first, for a better understanding, we need to draw these lines on the image, but when you get enough mastery, you can imagine the outline of the lines in your mind. Now it's time to draw the figure of the hand. For this, start from the palm where all the fingers are connected. I will try to draw the same step that I use for simplification. After that, I will draw the forearm. Now it is the turn of drawing the fingers. We start from the thumb and draw the joint and side line similar to the reference. In the next step, we draw the main joint of all the fingers that is connected to the palm. Now using a diagonal line, we draw the length and direction of the fingers. Then we add the rest of the joints. By drawing a curved line on the reference and connecting the joint together, we determine their location. Now it is time to complete the fingers. One by one and according to the reference, we complete the fingers and use borderline to define the main lines. We add the nails and the line of the fingers. We are familiar with the structure of the hand and now we have a sketch of the hand.